A lot of challenges have happened over that period of time, but I think that the single biggest challenge has to be the COVID pandemic. And I think for me as a senior leader in local authority at that time, and for all other people working in the public sector, it was a hugely challenging time. And I think the thing that was most difficult as a leader was the uncertainty. There was so much uncertainty. It was a new situation. We were doing our best to respond to it, but not always certain we were doing the right thing. The intensity and the pace at which we were working was like nothing I'd ever experienced before, and I suppose that uncertainty put a huge responsibility on you as a senior leader as well, because your staff wanted to know what was happening. They wanted some guidance and direction, and we also had to try and keep our communities safe and help them, particularly the people who were more vulnerable and were really struggling with what was happening. So when I look back at it now, 2 years of that, as I said, very intense, very fast moving, it was a huge challenge, and for everybody who worked in the public sector, but it was a challenge for me. In terms of how we dealt with it, and I think looking back on it, teamwork was really important. It's not about one person. Even if you're a senior leader, you only can work and function because of the good team you have around you. And we worked really well as a team, not only within our council, but with our communities, with our elected members, and across the region and across Wales with other public sector bodies. There's a huge amount of teamwork and collaboration that went on. I think what was really important was clarity. As I said, there was so much uncertainty that people wanted to know what was happening. They wanted some clarity, and they wanted very clear decision making, so that particularly staff knew then what to be able to do within the community. So that clarity of decision making, I think, was really important for us during that time.